Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In this session, we are breaking down Rule 3 of the International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, which is foundational because it provides the essential definitions used throughout the entire set of rules. Understanding these terms is the first step in ensuring safety and clarity on the water. The rule begins by defining the word vessel as including every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft, wig craft, and seaplanes used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. This is a very broad definition, intentionally designed to ensure that no craft is exempt from following the rules of the road, regardless of its design or size. Next, we look at the term power-driven vessel, which refers to any vessel propelled by machinery. This is a primary classification because power-driven vessels often have specific responsibilities when encountering other types of craft. We then have the definition of a sailing vessel, which means any vessel under sail, provided that propelling machinery, if fitted, is not being used. This means if a sailboat has its engine running, it is legally considered a power-driven vessel and must follow those specific rules. The rule also defines a vessel engaged in fishing, which refers to any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trawls, or other fishing apparatus which restrict maneuverability. Crucially, this does not include a vessel fishing with trolling lines or other gear that does not restrict its ability to move out of the way. Moving on, we encounter the term seaplane, which includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on the water. Another critical definition is a vessel not under command, which describes a vessel that, through some exceptional circumstance, is unable to maneuver as required by these rules and is therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. This is different from a vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver, which refers to a vessel that, from the nature of her work, is restricted in her ability to move as required. Examples of this include vessels laying pipelines, dredging, surveying, or engaged in towing operations that severely restrict the tug and its tow in their ability to deviate from their course. We also have the term vessel constrained by her draft, which applies specifically to power-driven vessels that, because of their deep draft in relation to the available depth and width of navigable water, are severely restricted in their ability to deviate from the course they are following. The term underway means that a vessel is not at anchor or made fast to the shore or aground. Finally, the words length and breadth of a vessel refer to her length overall and greatest breadth. By clearly defining these terms, Rule 3 ensures that every mariner understands exactly which category their vessel and others fall into, allowing for the predictable and safe application of all subsequent COLREGs. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.